How to make a green screen duet on TikTok. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a green screen duet on TikTok. So without further ado, let's get started. Afterwards, when you have opened the TikTok application, what you're gonna do is tap or right click on that share icon that is at the right corner of the screen. Afterwards, a new dialog box is going to appear in which you're going to look for a duet option. Look for it. Here it is in the last row. When I'll tap on it, it would take some time to process the video, and afterwards a new page would set up like this. So what you're gonna do is you're going to go and tap on the layout option. Afterwards, just new options would arrive in which you're going to tap on the green screen one. Afterwards, this is it. So when you've selected it, now you're going to go turn off the mic if you want to speak something. You're going to start. This is how you make a green screen do it on TikTok. This is how you do it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the video. Till next time, peace.